Car headlights that cost only a few yuan to produce can be sold by 4S dealers for several thousand yuan, with a price difference of hundreds of times. But how are they actually made? Firstly, clear polycarbonate is melted and injected into geometrically shaped lenses through a machine. Polycarbonate is a material that is resistant to both hot and cold temperatures, lighter than glass and has better impact resistance. The lens is then placed into an annealing furnace to reduce pressure, and after 20 minutes it is wiped with an anti-static cloth to check for smoothness. Next, a robotic arm coats the lens with a protective layer to prevent scratches and UV-induced yellowing before being sent to an oven to cure and set. The main beam light reflector of the headlight is made from glass, and workers first smooth its surface and wash off debris with soapy water. Weakly alkaline soapy water is used as it can increase the gloss of the reflector and is non-corrosive. After cleaning, a layer of transparent base gas 7 is sprayed onto the reflector. When baked, this paint takes on the color of egg yolk. The mirror is then placed into a vacuum hole mill, where the mirror spins around the electrodes as it spins on its own. The high temperature vaporizes the aluminum velvet that clings to the spiral roof wire, and the aluminum molecules are deposited on the surface of the reflector to obtain a smooth reflective film. This allows the headlight to focus the light of the bulb and direct it forward. In fact, the reflection coefficient of aluminum plating and silver plating is almost the same, but the cost of silver plating is higher. Car headlights are not just a simple combination of lampshades and bulbs. Designers have already replaced glass materials with patient quantities in order to create a creative shape, and have iteratively upgraded overall materials and performance. The current car headlight housing is made of polypropylene material, and the main beam reflector is made of fiberglass which is adjusted to a specific position in the lamp housing and fixed. Workers install aluminum-plated plastic reflectors and use a robotic arm to fill them with an appropriate amount of sealant, to protect against the intrusion of insects or water dust. The next stage is to move it into a welding machine and insert components such as lenses at the upper end of the machine. The two parts are connected while the machine is going down and secured with screws. Finally, the worker installs the halogen bulb and adjusts the beam by turning the screw, so as to control the reflection track of the high beam and low beam in the halogen lamp. If you want to know the manufacturing process of halogen lamps, you can go to the author's homepage to view previous videos. That's it for today's video, see you next time.